Adventure is out there, and today our journey takes us to the beautiful island of Maui. Follow along as I take a quick walking tour throughout the SHERATON Maui resort. When you first walk into the open-air lobby, you can immediately feel the cool breeze from the ocean. The sitting area just off of the lobby is called the sandbar. Here you can enjoy Starbucks coffee and some light bites to eat. This area had a wonderful view of the resort, the ocean, and the island of Lanai. The sun sets right over the island of Lanai, so this was a great spot to catch a sunset as well. The pool at the SHERATON Maui Resort is a very large and sprawling pool. The pool spans the entire length of the courtyard shown. Here is an overhead view of the resort. This picture from the SHERATON website gives you a great idea of how large the pool is. I am currently standing here at the sandbar just off of the lobby. The pool meanders throughout the courtyard similar to how a lazy river would, but the pool does not have a strong current by any means. The water depth does vary throughout the pool. There are 2 bars by the pool, and there are plenty of places to lounge by the pool in either the sun or in the shade. From the lobby, we walked to the south portion of the resort. Our room was located on the south side of the resort, and we were located on the 4th floor. Here is the view we had from the balcony of our room. We loved the view we had of the ocean, Lanai, and Black Rock. The balcony was really a peaceful and serene place. The SHERATON Maui Resort also hosts a luau. We did not go to this luau, but the location of the luau looked great. This location would have a wonderful sunset view, as well as beautiful views of the island of Lanai in the background. The SHERATON Maui Resort is located along Kaanapali Beach. Kaanapali Beach is one of the highest rated beaches in Maui. One of the biggest draws about staying at the SHERATON Maui Resort was the ease of access to this beach. We snorkeled here, and that was one of our favorite memories from our trip. My next video will be the snorkeling experience that we had here, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can join us on that journey too. Continuing on with our walking tour, we are now back in the main courtyard of the SHERATON Maui Resort. And as we walk, you will see some cabanas located along the pool. Here is where I am with respect to the lobby. This is the lobby where we started our walking tour. In the courtyard and near the beach, there are bonfire pits that are available for rent. Here is the entrance to the spa at Black Rock. This is the spa that is located at the SHERATON Maui Resort. The spa is located across the courtyard from the main lobby. The north side of the SHERATON Maui Resort is located right up against the Black Rock area. As you walk through the hallways, you can see the formation in different areas. This side of the resort is also referred to as the Moana side of the resort. Here is a view from the 8th floor on the Moana side of the SHERATON Maui Resort. Absolutely stunning and beautiful views. You can see Lanai, the ocean, and the mountains. You can even see people over on the Black Rock cliff jumping. If you're staying here, I highly recommend checking this view out. The Moana side of the resort has a breathtaking view of the island of Molokai. Throughout this video, I feel like I keep mentioning all of the great sunset spots, and I feel that's because the Sheraton Maui Resort really has a great location on the island of Maui. This view here is just stunning. The Sheraton Maui has 3 tennis courts on site, and across the street from the Sheraton Maui, there is a golf course. Heading back towards the lobby area from the Moana side of the resort, you run into a ballroom area. It looks like this is a place where business conferences or other events could be held. Across from the ballroom event space is an enterprise rental car. We rented our car at the airport and we used it for the entire duration of our trip. It's good to know that there is a rental location conveniently located here. And now let's have a quick look around the pool. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please consider hitting the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss an adventure. I hope you join me on my next journey, but until then, keep exploring.